share your location. Taga saan kayo? Singapore, Bukidnon, Qatar, Bohol, and Davao, Germany, Switzerland. Uy, grabe. Gusto ko puntahan yan to Switzerland na yan. Alam mo yun? So, Dubai, Leyte, Bangladesh, Laguna, OFW ng Abu Dhabi, South Korea. Okay, so sobrang dami. Halos nasa buong mundo tayo, no? Grabe. At ito, Japan, Turkey. Punta ka dito, face to face tayo dito. Sana nga, di ba? Sir Reggie, malapit dyan. Nasa may ano siya ngayon. Nasa Spain siya ngayon. Tapos, after that, diretso siya sa Italy. So, ayun. Sana makapag-ikot-ikot din sa Europe. Di ba? Ano yan? Dream place, di ba? Pero malay nyo, makapag ano tayo dyan, makapag face-to-face seminar tayo, di ba? Malay nyo, pag medyo nakaipon-ipon ako, ay, dyan din sa New Zealand, gusto ko rin. Anyway, so, yan, obviously, we are all over the world and thank you for joining our webinar and I'm really grateful na you joined, especially those who are already copy trading na mga traders ko na. Hello sa inyo, magandang gabi. And I'm really happy na, of course, this is my way of sharing my, of course, my knowledge and sharing my blessings to other people kasi I've been super blessed with Forex because syempre natulungan niya ako resign makapag-resign sa trabaho and I'm having my, of course, my financial freedom because of Forex. That is why I have this advocacy of helping other people na of course magkaroon din ng passive income kasi here in copy trading talagang passive income lang to, like, totally, kasi parang yung iba hindi sila naniniwala. Dapat yung pera pinaghihirapan mo yan, hindi po yan totoo. Actually, you can make your money work for you. Totoo po yun. Kasi I've been doing it for the past 4 years and truly, it really exists na meron talagang mga passive income na talagang kaya nila na yung pera mo i-multiply into exponential number. That is why kaya sobrang natutuwa ako na ito, I have the chance to share it to people. I have this influence of sharing to other people. And ngayon, I'm not gonna be presenting anything yet kasi I don't want to waste your time. I just wanted to brief you guys kung paano ba i-navigate talaga si OKX. That is why pwede kayong mag-register ngayon para makasabay kayo while yung speaker natin will be discussing about it. Kasi syempre mas madali na 'di ba i-navigate tignan kapag mas naiintindihan nyo or nakikita nyo na yung platform, di ba? At least we are speaking the same language. So right now, I'd like to introduce to you, all of you, si Coach Allen! Ayan, grabe, napaka-pogi naman ni Coach Allen, di ba? Si Coach Allen San Miguel, I met him because of Marvin Fabres. Because of Marvin Fabres, apparently, I was deceived just last year. I was deceived by this impersonating person ni Marvin, and si Coach Alex reached out to me and told me na it's not really a real Marvin, it's a fake Marvin. Ayan, that is why we actually met in as a hype, no, ng event ni Marvin. So kaya I'm really privileged, of course, na nandito ngayon ang ating coach, si Coach Allen. Tuturuan tayo kung paano kayo matututo i-navigate ang OKX. Okay? Sobrang madami kayo matutunan dito, kaya stay tuned lang. Huwag kayong aalis, okay? Makinig kayo na mabuti kasi sayang naman yung pogi-pogi ni Coach Allen, di ba? So ayan, let me give you the screen, Coach Allen, para ma-brief mo na sila on how they will be able to start with OKX.
All right. Thank you so much, lady, for the opportunity of to be with your kumbaga community. Sobrang nakaka-overwhelm na tayo talaga yung unang magpe-present for them kung paano i-navigate sa OKX, and at the same time, what is OKX ba? Sino ba si OKX? Ano ba yung kaya niyang i-offer sa mga tao, and at the same time, no? Kumbaga, paano ba mag-copy trading? Paano ba tayo kikita when it terms of crypto? Kasi alam ko ang community mo is more on forex eh, 'di ba? So
Yeah.
ngayon, syempre gusto natin explore yung crypto, gusto natin i-explore kung ano ba yung power ni crypto, kung ano ba yung pwede niyang maibigay na opportunity sa atin. So right now I'm going to discuss to you what is OKX, how to copy trade. Yun lang, napakasimple lang po na i-discuss nating dalawa. So Miss Lady, okay lang po ba na
Yeah, ano kita.
i-allow mo akong mag-share ng screen? Kasi
Sure. Go
oo,
pa
it was
ba?
disabled. Oo. Alright. Sige. para ma-start na natin to. Alright, to start off, I would like to introduce to you, okay, so what is OKX? So kita po ba? I'm not pretty sure if kita nyo kung, yan, sorry, this one. Alright, so kita no? So what is OKX? So in this module, you will learn what is OKX, OKX key milestone, OKXers, value, OKX CX, and Web3 products, and then of course, yung mga partnership programs natin. So ngayon, for me, hindi lahat ito no will be kumbaga lalo na doon sa mga beginners pa lang, medyo technical. So bear with me kung paano ko siya explain sa inyo. So going next is what is OKX. So we are in the same in the same kumbaga vision of other exchanges, of other brokerages out there. Now of course, to build the most beloved crypto, all right? Crypto brand ever or forex brand ever. Okay, lahat naman ng company ganun yung gusto eh. So tayo, isa rin tayo doon. Alright, so we are founded in 2017. This is the OKX exchange, okay? So may napapansin ako, sabi niya, registered OKX na ako in, kumbaga, before pa, way back 2015. Yes, actually OKX is created way back before, even 2013, pero si OKX kasi is before hindi pa siya exchange. It was merely like parang Web3 wallet. Web3 wallet lang siya, decentralized. So um ngayon we are here na we have the exchange, we have the wallet, we have everything that a client needs. So kumbaga ayun, okay? So our mission is of course OKX adopts blockchain to build the next generation financial ecosystem. So syempre tayo bilang exchange or bilang ang isang player or big player in the industry when it comes to crypto exchange, spot exchange, derivatives, lahat kumbaga we have also AMM or yung mga automated money market natin. So we strive to eliminate financial barriers, evolve the global economy and change the world for better. So kumbaga gusto namin maging available for everyone yung crypto. At the same time, maging available for everyone yung mga products natin like, okay, again, yung spot derivatives, AMM, yung mga copy trading. We also have the bot trading. And then, of course, our technology security is our top priority. To be honest, not to brag, no, OKX is kumbaga, one of the most transparent and one of the most reliable exchange as of right now. Pero hindi, dito sa Philippines kasi medyo kokonti pa lang eh. Medyo kokonti pa lang yung nag-a-adapt ng OKX because of course, they focus more on the Western region and at the same time on the Middle East region. So ano yung sinasabi ko? Ngayon pa lang nag-expand si OKX dito sa C region or sa Asia, pero when it comes to brand recognition, sobrang laki na nila sa Europe, sa Middle East, sa United Kingdom, so sa US. So doon sila mas nag-focus. And right now, they're actually of course, syempre, no, they're actually maximizing yung market kaya nga nandito na sila sa Asia as well. So, of course, OKX provides a safe, reliable, and stable environment for crypto trading via web and mobile application. We adopt global server load balancing, distributed clusters, other technologies for your protection. So our product and services are always tailored to your needs and suggestion. Ayan. So again, what is OKX? Okay, of course, OKX is your new favorite crypto trading application. Number one, OKX, gaano siya kalaki? We have actually sponsored a team in the F1 or in the Formula 1 racing. So, ano yung team na yon? It is actually the McLaren team. So, isa tayo sa sponsor ni McLaren when it comes to the F1. And then number two is that, of course, we have, kumbaga, we have other sponsorship when it comes to, okay, yung mga books, yung mga games, yung mga applications. So, we are sponsoring them para at least mas ma-recognize tayo globally. Alright, so going next. What is OKX in numbers? So OKX is founded in 2017. This one is the exchange. Pero again, OKX, to be honest, is founded 2013 for the decentralized, kumbaga, decentralized exchange. Ngayon kasi, this one, what we're talking about is decentralized. So magkaiba kasi, we have the decentralized, we have the decentralized. So ngayon, we have over, of course, 3,000 employees to cater you guys, yung mga clients natin. And then, we are present in 30 plus countries. So actually, kung kahit nasa ang bansa ka man, nasa Qatar ka, nasa Singapore ka, nasa pinakaliblib ka man, nasa Bermuda Triangle ka man, we can cater you, no, as long as may internet ka. So ganun kaganda si OKX. And then of course, we are present in 16 global offices. And then we have 200 regions served. So isa na tayo dun sa Philippines. And then of course, we have 50 million plus customers who are trusting us right now. And then of course, we plan to grow this day by day, and then month by month, and then year by year. Hopefully, this will become billion of users. And then of course, we have trading pairs and markets 1,069. And then we have around $30 trillion trading volume as of the moment. So napakalaki na po nun, no? And then we have $35 billion daily trading volume. Ibig sabihin nito, lahat na nagte-trade sa OKX, we are right now at a 35 billion a day volume. So ganun po kalaki si OKX. And then of course, key milestone, 2017, we launched our spot trading in OKX exchange, centralized exchange. October 2017, OKX became the first APAC exchange to support derivatives trading. So yes, totoo po yan. Nauna pa po tayo sa ibang exchange na alam nyo. Na alam ko rin na yung mga, alam niyo na, yung mga ibang exchange na nagsisimula sa letter B, halos lahat sila letter B. Tayo lang nag-iisang letter O na exchange na sikat dito sa Philippines at the moment and globally as well. So December 2017, OKX reached tens of billions trading volume, ranking OKX the #1 trading platform in the world. All right, and then coming 2018, OKX launched the platform token OKB. All right, so ito yung katulad ng mga ibang platform, meron din sila sarili, di ba? Merong BNB, merong KLV, merong kumbaga sa ibang exchange pa, merong BLC, so mga ganon. So tayo, we have OKB. In March, okay, of 2018, we launched it, and then we are published as a world-class API 3.0 in November and perpetual swap in December. Ngayon, OKX upgraded trading engine and tech architecture to reach zero clawback for futures trading and system availability up to 99.99%. Ibig sabihin, pwede nyo na, hindi kayo magkakaroon ng problem when it comes to trading in OKX. All right, so we made sure of that. And then coming 2019, we launched USDT, okay, margin futures options trading, IEO platform Jumpstart, and derivatives Dig Data. So ano yung mga jumpstart na to? So if ikaw nagki-crypto ka na, ang jumpstart in OKX is more of like the launchpad in other exchange. So they have the launchpad, like for example, may bagong project na, let's say for example, right now, no, we have the Pixel. So if you're in the crypto space, you know what I'm talking about. We have Pixel. Right now, they're being launchpad in other exchange. So in our exchange, it is being jump started in OKX. So ganun lang siya kasimple. And then of course, OKX became the first exchange to use the market price system and tiered maintenance margin ratio system to protect users' trading position. So that is 2019. 2020, May 2020, OKX derivatives exceeded 50% market share. All right. So OKX launched trading system 3.0 to cover all trading markets. So ibig sabihin, yes, OKX is like parang siya yung nauna sa lahat, to be honest. It was the first exchange to be first in all aspects. I mean in almost all aspects. However, syempre kumbaga mas lumakas lang talaga yung recognition and marketing ng ibang exchange, pero si OKX is the first one who have all of this great technology and at the same time great milestones. So we have already burned 700 million unissued OKB and converted OKB into the world's first fully deflationary and circulating platform token. So ganun siya kaganda. And then started the P2P. We also have P2P po, no? And hindi siya nagkakalayo sa ibang exchange. So alam nyo na, no? May exchange na alam ko kung nag-crypto ka, may exchange ngayon na syempre isa sa pinakamalaki na ginagamit na meron ding P2P na actually by the end of this February, hindi natin alam no kung totoo ba na they will be out of the market or hindi baban na sila dito sa Philippines. So you have OKX for your option of P2P. So kahit pa paano, no, meron pa rin palang option para makapag-crypto other than that exchange. So this is OKX. Ngayon we launched the Decentralized Exchange and OKC Testnet and Chain Intelligence 2020. And then, of course, 2021, we launched the Unified Account System and Polkadot Slot Auction function, released the multi-sig wallet solution, and upgrade the KYC system. So yes, kay OKX, hindi po tayo basta-basta nakakapag-register. Kung mapapansin nyo, pag nag-register kayo, not only just you're going to create an account, you're also going to verify your account. And by all means, you have to take your selfie, you have to upload your IDs, you have to upload your residency. So lahat po yan in-upgrade natin in order for us to protect you at the same time and to protect the exchange as well. So we started the globalization process and launched 25 plus local language websites and academy. So 2021 po yan. And then of course, 2022, we released the proof of reserve and the self-audit Merkle 3. Ibig sabihin ng proof of reserve to the public, kami lang po actually ang isa sa exchange na very transparent to our clients, which we show every month's proof of reserve. Actually live po yan no. Kumbaga pinapakita namin how much reserve do we have in futures, how much reserve do we have in spot trading, how much USDT do we have, how much OKB do we have, and so on and so forth. Kumbaga, very transparent si OKX when it comes to its finances. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo lang, try to look for an article. Okay? An article that is attacking OKX kumbaga operations and on how OKX is doing its business. Look for an article and you may never see one. Ganun lang po kasimple. No? Kasi dahil bakit? Transparent tayo at the same time, we are not using people's money in our own self parang interest. Okay? So you look for it. We have nothing kumbaga negative review or negative article about OKX. Kung meron man, it is not because of the finances. All right? So when it comes to finances, we are already 100% kumbaga transparent to all the the community. So ganun. We also launched 2022 yung bot trading natin and social trading platform, which is the copy trading na pag-uusapan natin maya-maya lang. And then we also of course have the NFT marketplace and DeFi aggregator and yield trading. So we went through our rebranding exercise and became the first global partnership with Manchester City Football and McLaren F1. So 2022 pa lang po, yes, we are already in partnership with with a globally known football team and of course a globally known F1 team or a globally known supercar company in the whole wide world. So ganun siya kagkatindi, no? And then of course, what we do is, of course, OKX is a leading global currency exchange and Web3 platform. We divide our products experience into two distinct modes, crypto exchange and OKX Web3 wallet. So yes, si OKX lang po actually, again, no, mas nauna pa po tayo kay B na magkaroon ng exchange at Web3 wallet at the same time. Kumbaga isang application lang, we have an exchange and we have a Web3 wallet. So we are the first one again in this kumbaga in this aspect or technology. So we also of course we have for the crypto exchange, we have buy and sell, trade, earn, learn, and get early access to new crypto projects. So of course again, no, we can buy and sell via fiat on and off ramp. Credit and debit card are acceptable. We have P2P platform and then we also of course the third-party payment. Pero yung third-party payment natin for the Philippines as of right now is of course wala tayong choice kundi mag P2P muna and of course credit and debit card muna. We are in talk of course with this well-known kumbaga payment methods which is GCash, Maya and other Web3 kumbaga companies that offers crypto. So we are in talk with them, but hopefully they agree to be one of our payment gateway. But again, okay, being in the crypto space, medyo mahirap po. Of course, alam niyo yan, kahit sa Forex, medyo mahirap makipag-ano sa government or sa mga these companies who are actually payment gateways. So ngayon, hopefully no magkaroon na ng mass adoption in order for us to take on these steps further. So of course, we have trade crypto to crypto on convert, spot, margin, perpetual swap, futures, options, liquid market, and demo trading markets. So we also earn crypto via savings, staking, DeFi pool, fixed income, at 2.0, dual investment, flash deals, take out crypto collateralized loans. So yes, sobrang dami pong ways actually in the crypto space on how you can earn. Hindi lang basta-basta yung spot, karaniwan ang alam ng tao, yung crypto, maglalagay ka lang dyan, lalaki na or babagsak. Dalawa lang yan. Or yung futures, yung parang forex, yung futures, yung pagka mali yung position mo, pagka nag-sell ka, tumaas yung market, masusunog ka. Pagka nag-buy ka, bumaba yung market, masusunog ka. No, hindi lang po ganoon yung crypto. Crypto, sobrang lawak po. We have staking, we have DeFi pool, we have launchpads, we have dual investments. Ang dami. We have automated market makers. So, sobrang dami pong opportunity sa crypto trading. And then, of course, we also have the create and find trading bot on bot marketplace. So follow a master trader or on copy trading platform and find investment targets on opportunity dashboard. So ito po mamaya yung focusan natin, no? And then we also, of course, we cooperate with OKX via referral. We also have the referral. We also have affiliate. We also have broker, market maker, institution, VIP, P2P merchants, OKX ventures, jumpstarts, token listings, and so many more. So yun po yung sa crypto exchange side. Ngayon, we're going to Web3 Wallet. Web3 Wallet is your portal into Web3, DeFi, NFTs, and the metaverse. So kung ano ba pinagkaiba niyan, Allen? Si Web3 Wallet po is focused on storing your tokens, on storing your NFT, on storing your, your other DEX aggregators, or yung, kumbaga dito nyo pwedeng i-store lahat ng tokens nyo that is not actually in the exchanges. So kumbaga, Web3 wallet kasi serves as your parang let's say for example MetaMask, your decentralized exchange wallet. So ganun din po si Web3 wallet ni OKX. So what it differs from crypto exchange, of course, being the word exchange, si wallet lang siya. It's just like a storage of your tokens. Meanwhile, exchange, you can buy and sell. You can trade crypto to crypto. You can send crypto to another exchange. You can send kumbaga you can convert your Ethereum to USDT. You can convert your OKB to USDT. You can convert your OKB to Ethereum. So mga ganong bagay. So dito kay Web3 Wallet, we are kumbaga we can only manage your DeFi portfolio and assets on 38 plus isomorphic and heterogeneous blockchains with OKX, multi-chain wallet, and one-step asset dashboard. So yes, we cater a lot of wallets. We have the base wallet, we have the Osmos wallet, we have the Cosmos wallet, we have the Ethereum wallet, of course, we have the OKX wallet for sure, and then we have kumbaga halos lahat ng chain in the crypto space, we already have that in OKX. Okay, so we have the Scroll, we have the Polygon, we have the Arbitrum. So marami no. If we're going to talk about it, sobrang dami. And then of course we have swap cross-chain crypto on OKX DEX aggregator using routing to find the best route and liquidity provider through multi-blockchain. And then, of course, earn crypto on multi-chain protocols on Yield, a powerful Web3 aggregate investment platform supports cross-token investment with one click. So, of course, we have also the NFT. Pwede kang mamili ng NFT. Pwede kang mag-mint ng NFT using the OKX Web3 wallet. And then we also have, you can also explore top decentralized application on Discover, the multi-chain D app portal. So let's say, for example, you saw a project that is promising, you can actually explore it on our decentralized applications. Okay, so going next, why choose OKX? Of course, number one is the second largest crypto market, B being the number one, but hopefully we become on par with B as well. So ngayon, we have a high liquidity and low bid-ask spread trading markets to service 20 million plus users globally since 2017. So we have a trading volume again of 35 billion, and then BTC and ETH 0.005% lang kami to the bid and ask price. And then of course, number two, we have advanced asset system security, advanced online and offline storage system with multi-sig protection and multiple backups. So ito yung pinagmamalaki ko na maghanap kayo ng isang kumbaga security breach, kumbaga financial breach report about OKX or attacking OKX, wala po kayo makikita. Zero hack since 2017. And then of course, OKX Risk Shield Fund, we have 700 million plus dollars in this kumbaga parang security or OKX Risk Shield fund namin. And then of course, going to the number three, we are full transparent and we have asset reserves. So kumbaga, we have a verifiable proof of reserve and Merkle tree to protect your asset security. Kumbaga, pwede po kayo pumunta kasi sa website ni OKX and then you just i-browse nyo lang, tingnan nyo, and then go to the proof of reserve. Makikita nyo, transparent siya because crypto is transparent. Makikita nyo kung magkano yung nasa reserve natin. So, ganun siya kasimple. And then, of course, we have numerous active trading markets. We have, kumbaga, we have 9 types of crypto to crypto markets. We have 4 types of fiat to crypto markets. And then we have 877 spot and now 192 derivatives trading pairs as of the moment. And then, of course, we have a marketplace for DEX and NFT. And then number 5, we are stable and robust trading engine. So bakit? We have a very low latency and high availability and well known for having zero downtimes during market spikes. Yes. Si OKX po pinagmamalaki ko again because we have a very low latency. Ibig sabihin hindi maglalag yung servers natin or yung pagte-trade natin kay OKX, unlike other exchanges, unlike other brokers, na kapag ka merong high volatility news, bigla-bigla na lang titigil, bigla-bigla na lang mag-i-stop, bigla-bigla ka na lang hindi makabuy or bigla-bigla ka na lang hindi maka-close ng order or maka-sell. Whereas kay OKX po, we have a zero downtime during market spikes. Yes, system availability 99.99% kahit nasaan ka pa. And then latency of an average 3 ms and P 99.510 ms. So order book system 100K plus TPS and then fee turnover $105 billion of May 29, 2021. So ganun po kalaki yung na-turnover natin to the clients. So ngayon, number 6 is we have a parallel trading experience, the most professional trading system, abundant trading features, unique unified account with high capital utilization. Native unified account, portfolio margin for position hedge, trading vault, marketplace, tick-by-tick data, snapshot per 10 milliseconds. So, ganun po kaganda si OKX. Ngayon, ayan. So, ngayon, again, we have an on and off ramp. New OKX users, we have, of course, the fiat, P2P trading, and then crypto deposit and withdraw internally on chain. We have the basic trading, of course, the spot and convert, simple options, demo trading. We have the advanced trading, which includes, of course, the professionals and institutional traders and investors, spot margin derivatives, perpetual swap and futures and opens and options, and the liquid marketplace, which is the OTC markets. And then we have the finance, passive income holders, earn, loan, jumpstart. And then we have the trading tools. So dito tayo magpo-fall under mamaya-maya lang. We have the pro traders and opportunity seekers, which I presume you are opportunity seekers. Karamihan po na nandito sa webinar ni Miss Lady are opportunity seekers. So we have the copy trading and API trading. We have trading bots. We have trading data. And then we have a Learn and Academy actually. We have crypto noobs, sorry, multilingual tutorials, trading ideas, and then industry analysis. All right. So again, we have the wallet, we have the DEX, we have the yield, we have the NFT marketplace at the same time. So ayan po lahat ng ating ino-offer. So for the Web3 products, and then we have of course the partnership programs. We are being partnered with influencers, with legal entities, of course, and then of course with projects and individuals. So ganyan po kasimple, no? And then moving forward, our global partnership, Manchester City, McLaren, and then of course Tribeca, one of the most well-known in the crypto space when it comes to investments. So ayan. Better future game on. Thank you from OKX. So, all right. So we are done with the what is OKX. Ngayon naman, moving forward, we are going next to what is copy trading or how to do copy trading in OKX. Napakasimple lang po. Sobrang dali lang ng copy trading sa OKX. So ngayon, I'm going to present it to you. All right. Here you go. All right. Copy trading. All right. Experience world-class copy trading with OKX. So ngayon, moving forward, welcome to OKX. Of course, we provide the most powerful tools in the world to build, trade, and store digital assets and bridge traditional and decentralized finance. So ngayon, we are global. All right. If in 6 years' time, one's dreams has become the dreams of thousands of people, 8 offices around the world. So we have an office in US, Malta, Dubai, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Japan, and China. To be honest, nung napunta po ako sa office sa Singapore way back, I think this last year December. Yeah, December. Sobrang ganda po ng office natin. It is actually in the Marina Bay Center, Financial Center. Ibig sabihin, yung office po natin is very near Marina Bay Sands. Yung Marina Bay Financial Center po doon, OKX has 2 floors, 2 whole floors of that building. And I'm very proud to say na alam ko na safe or alam ko na very reliable itong exchange na to dahil sa capacity nila to sustain and kumbaga to sustain that kind of office. Kasi sobrang mahal po niyan. To be honest, kasi being Singapore as one of the first world country na nilulook after ng lahat ng bansa, meron tayong 2 floors sa pinakasikat na building nila doon sa Singapore. So ganun po siya kaganda. And then of course, we are world class. That's our standard. So pasensya nyo na yung mga pangalan ng other exchanges dito, no? Hindi na kasi natin sila pwedeng i-mention basta-basta. So in OKX, we have a profit and loss offset. Yes. We have a risk offset. Yes. Whereas of course sa iba, sa Binance, sa Bitbit, sa Bitget, and of course other KuCoin, BX, MEX, no? They don't have the risk offset. Tayo po ang only exchange na merong risk offset. So what do I mean by risk offset? Ito po yung parang uh, kumbaga after, let's say for example, no, nagkaroon po kayo ng problem when it comes to trading. Okay? So when it comes to the to your trading in futures, in spot, or in other trading in other trading products, we can offset your risk kapag ka alam nyo merong anomaly nangyari or merong kumbaga pag merong alam nyo na hindi kumbaga it is let's say for example on one occasion, no, we have reset our KYC verification sa lahat ng mga Philippine users. So if of course syempre yung ibang mga Filipino users, meron diyan mga naka-trade sa futures, meron mga naka-trade sa spot, meron kumbaga lahat sila, kumbaga let's say for example their trading activities. Ngayon, ino-offset namin 'yon bago namin gawin yung KYC verification. Bago namin i-reset yung KYC verification. So meaning to say, pag talo ka and then ginawa namin 'yon, we will just offset your profit and loss and your risk. So ganun siya kasimple. And then of course, with the trading spot, margin, futures, and perpetuals options in one account, yes, in OKX you can trade all spot, margin, futures, perps, and options in one account. Unlike other exchanges, you can only trade spot, margin, and then perpetual. And then kumaga OKX, we have it. Kumaga lahat meron tayo niyan. All right. Moving forward, why copy trade with OKX? We are able to toggle between one-way or hedge mode. Okay, we can simultaneously hold cross and isolated margin positions. Meaning to say, kay OKX po, yung trader natin, yung gagayahin nating trader or yung copy trader na gagayahin natin na feeling natin magaling, tingin natin magaling based on his profit and loss, based on his ROI, based on his drawdowns. So pwede po siyang mag one-way, meaning to say, you can only only create buy positions and then create sell positions. Okay, one at a time. You cannot like hedge na you can buy it and sell at the same time. Okay, so sa ibang exchange bawal po 'yun. They only use like hedge. Kumbaga, they only use hedge positions na which can only, can simultaneously hold buy and sell at the same time. Sa atin lahat po meron. We can do one way, we can do hedge. So we can also as well simultaneously hold cross and isolated margin positions. Meaning to say, for example, sa USDT margin position, meron kang position, let's say for example, BTC USDT, and then gusto mong mag-trade, let's say for example, gusto mong mag-trade ng Ethereum USDC, okay, that's a different pair. Pwede po yun kay OKX. Meanwhile, sa other exchanges po, bawal yun. Hindi ka pwede mag-trade ng other margin, cross margin, or isolated margin positions. Alright? Moving forward, your copy trading journey begins. A copy trading is, of course, a social approach to investment and portfolio management where regular traders, aka copy traders, can copy trading strategies in real time from lead traders yourself. All right. When you open a trade up for copying, Traders under your copy list duplicates those trades automatically within OKX and close them when you do. All right. So we have two types, of course, of traders within the copy trading. All right. The lead traders, this one is of course earned from both their own trades and the profit sharing from the winning of their copiers. Ngayon, anong benefit nito? Of course, you can access to OKX high trading traffic and then variety of promotions and then incentives. And then of course, we have access to test funds, ability to customize copy trade settings for affiliate copy traders. And then of course, for copy trader, we have a benefit. Of course, yung copy trader automatically replicates trades from traders they are copying and profits when their traders wins a trade. So copy trader, of course, this will fall under yung mga followers ni Miss Lady. I'm pretty sure hopefully Miss Lady will create her own copy trading or copy trading account in OKX. Kumbaga siya na mismo yung magte-trade, no? And then of course, what is the benefits of that? Access to strong market depth, high liquidity, low slippage and spreads. We have simplicity, one click lang. Isang click lang makakapag-copy ka na, makapag-follow ka na kay OKX. And then of course, we have skilled traders with transparent performance for ease of selection. And then of course, we have data dashboard to ease of tracking trades and profit and loss. All right. So trader relationship mechanism or mechanics is that lead trader, of course, when you place an order, close an order, or change your trade settings, what happens in the system is that changes triggers a signal to OKX, and then signal triggers the execution of the action made by the trader. And then si copy trader naman, anong gagawin niya? Wala. Of course, syempre, just one click. And then what they see when you place an order, close an order, or change your trade settings, in your system, you will see that account receives a signal on the execution made by the trader. Of course, pagka nag-buy or sell si lead trader, makikita yan of course ni copy trader. And then of course, order signal account replicates the execution. Settings change to signal, message is sent to the copy trader. Ibig sabihin, let's say for example, no, ako yung lead trader, no? And then you are copying me as the lead trader. Pagka nag-buy and sell ako, of course, automatically you will see a buy or sell order in your account. Pero again, in some cases kasi sa Forex, madalas, di ba, pagka change ni lead trader yung settings niya or yung copy options niya, let's say, for example, copy based on equity or copy based on, let's say, based on margin or copy based on free margin. Hindi nyo siya nakikita, right? Whereas KOKX, or dito sa platform natin, let's say for example si lead trader change niya yung yung account yung pagte-trade niya into hedge mode instead of a one-way trading, change niya into hedge mode, makikita yon ni copy trader. Kumbaga very transparent, kada galaw ni lead trader nakikita ni copy trader. So ganun lang siya kasimple. All right? Moving forward is lead traders cheat sheet. Ito of course for this one is for the copy trading. All right, or for the lead traders. Moving on is here, how to create a lead trade on a regular trading page. Continue your regular trades as usual. If an asset pair traded falls within the copy trading contracts, the trade will automatically be open for copying. All right, you can see lead contract trades under the tab called copy. Ayan, so nakikita niyo naman po yung picture, no? Doon lang po sa baba may makikita kayo copy, and then you will click that one, and then it will eventually go to this view. All right. Oh, how to manage lead trades. Your lead trades are shown in the order management section at the bottom of the trading page. So meaning to say, dito po, no, pagka kinilik po nyo if you wanted to be a copy trader or a lead trader, pwede nyo pong makita or pwede nyo pong i-set yung yung positions nyo for your personal positions and for your copy trading positions. Meaning to say, different tab po if you want to trade on your own trades. Iba po yun. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo, pagka dito sa personal trades or dun sa positions, ito po yung mga hindi makakopy ng mga copiers nyo. And then of course, for the copy, ito po yung mga gusto nyong i-copy ng mga copy traders nyo. Alright, so your copiers in most cases might have a smaller account. Of course, rather than you, it is therefore recommended to set your take profit and stop loss on your lead trades as we do not allow, okay, partial closure for now, and you would want to consider the possibility of a huge drawdown that might liquidate your copiers, even if your account do not. All right, so we are, of course, we always oblige the lead traders to put SL and TPA all the time. And then of course, number 3, there are two views to see your lead trade orders. detailed and overview. All right, so going next is how to manage your copy traders. Okay, number one, you can remove copy traders who fall within certain criteria to free up space for new copiers to copy you. All right, so number two is that the criteria for removal are account equity less than 100, or let's say you would want to to navigate your, or you would want your rules in copying your trades to be, let's say for example, gusto nyo $500 above lang yung mga copy sa inyo, you can set it up at our lead dashboard. All right? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. And then, amount per order and maximum copy amount. Of course, for regular OKX traders, $10 lang po pwede na kayo makakopy. All right? Up to $100,000. And then, of course, maximum total amount is $200,000 or USDT. Okay, for OKX affiliates can be set according to traders' individual needs. So this one, pwedeng i-set na, let's say for example, $100. Ito na yung sinasabi ko na pwedeng i-set na $100, $500, $1,000, ganun siya. Alright, moving next, the maximum position size, of course, for BTC USDT is maximum is 50 million trading volume. LTC 5 million. So ito medyo skip na natin dahil masyadong mahaba, no? And then moving forward, number of copier limits. Lead traders will all have an initial maximum limit of 100 copy traders under their copy list. Ngayon, if lead traders achieve 100, they will always be welcome to to approach us. Na Allen, 100 traders na ako, copy traders na ako, can I exceed for more copy traders? Yes. That is allowable. Syempre dito nililimit lang natin yung lead traders in order for us to to monitor them. Yes. All right. So number two, we have lead traders who meet the following criteria will be able to get their account under review to increase copier limits. So ayan. So achieve a 90-day average AUM of more than 20,000 US dollar, and then more than 100 copy traders over 7 consecutive days, and then has at least 10,000 USDT trading account assets. All right? So supported contracts, ayan, ang dami. Sobrang dami. Then risk control on lead trades. We have the leverage, of course. Avoid high leverage for smaller cryptocurrencies as they are large fluctuations. So a recommendation of leverage 3x or less lang ang ina-apply namin sa crypto. All right, so progressive trading, start small, use isolated margins and smaller amounts. Number three, use stop losses. Of course, ito yung lagi natin sinasabi sa mga traders. Always use stop losses at the same time. Kasi bakit? Your copiers might not be as big as your account is. And then, of course, we are limiting a maximum daily limit of 500 positions for copying. All right. And then we have implemented strict risk control limits for smaller cryptocurrencies, lower max leverage. So yes, hindi po lahat ng market namin is available for, let's say, we have a maximum of 100x. We have a maximum of leverage 100x. Yung some other tokens or some other products we have, let's say, for example, yung mga smaller cryptocurrencies, we only limit it to 10x lang. All right. So number 6, depth. Pay attention to depth and try to trade contracts with higher market depth. So, ayan. So, profit sharing, ito na yung gusto ng mga copy traders natin, no? With effect from September 6 of 2023, the profit and loss of each copied order will be calculated. 8 to 13% of the profits from each profitable trade will be deducted based on lead traders' profit sharing levels. And then, of course, if total profit share is less than the amount deducted due to losses and some orders, the excess will be returned to the copy trader's trading account on settlement data. All right? Or date. So settlement cycle natin is every week. So hindi po siya parang forex na let's say every day ganyan. Kay copy trading po actually sa kay OKX, we do have yung daily pero hindi kumaga magre-reflect siya sa account nyo daily, but that is like kumaga yun pa po yung 100% of the profit. Hindi pa po siya yung profit sharing niya na lang ng lead trader and ng copy trader. So every week po yan, Monday at 000 UTC plus 8, magpa-profit sharing pa po yan. So, ganun po kay crypto, and at the same time, let's say for example po, no, na-loss yung lead trader nyo or yung kinokopya nyo, ang maganda po kay OKX, okay, unlike other exchange, is that, let's say for example, may excess, okay, may excess na profit kay lead trader, i-distribute niya yon sa mga copy traders para may maibalik na excess from the profit to the traders pag loss yung position. Ganun siya kaganda. And then of course, we have the custom profit sharing. All right, for lead traders. So ito, this one, if you wanted to do to do copy trading or yung lead trading natin, it is widely customizable. Okay, yung specific range nyo, kung magkano yung gusto nyo ipakopy, minimum, maximum, kung magkano yung profit sharing nyo, of course. And then it can only be edited 3 times a month. All right? So yeah, moving forward, ayan, no? This one is profit sharing performance namin from our lead traders, no? Yung mga existing. So, yan. As of right now, our top one already earned $108,000 every month po to, no? This one is on a monthly basis. So, ganyan po kalalaki yung mga kinikita ng mga lead traders natin. So, kung makikita nyo na rin po dyan sa copy trading natin, so, malalaki po talaga yung mga fund na umiikot or revolving in the crypto space. All right, coming soon is we have the spot copy trading, we have the ND. I think this one meron na. Medyo late lang tong presentation ko. So, PAX, this one. All right. So ngayon, moving forward on how to copy your traders. All right. So ngayon, i-share ko po yung screen ko, my OKX account, para at least makita nyo rin po na ito yung kung paano mag-copy trading kay OKX Live. Alright? So, yung pinakita ko po kasi is more on the lead trader. Kung ikaw gusto mo magpa-copy, you think you are confident enough to do the copy trade or to be a lead trader, you may do so. Ngayon, if you wanted to copy let's say copy other let's say traders, ganito lang po siya kasimple. Alright, let me share my screen again to you. Alright, so this is my account. Dummy account, sorry. Alright, so this one, let's say copy trading PNL, very very basic. Halos lahat po kasi ng account natin in the in OKX, you will just have to go to grow, sorry, to trade. Go to this wait lang. Paano ba to yung pina-follow yung mouse? Wait lang for a while. Okay, sige, ito na lang. Okay. So all right. So you will just have to go to trade and then click copy trading and then you will be redirected to this, okay? To this dashboard. All right? So ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na if you wanted to become a lead trader, you can click this as easy as that. And then it will be directing you to this parang Q&A lang, konting ayan, nickname, all right? And then number 2, set PNL curve, start date. So in just 3 steps, kumbaga in just 3 steps, napakadaling ni OKX or napakadaling maging lead trader sa OKX. All right? So going back, you just have to browse. What do you want? Overview, win rate ba? Based on win rate ba? Gusto mo makita yung mga win rate ng mga traders natin? Gusto nyo bang makita na let's say above 90% yung win rate? Yes, pwede yan. So above 90% yung win rate, ito lang yung dalawa. Of course, yung 90 days PNL nila medyo mababa because they are conservative. But if you want, let's say, for example, mas malaki yung profit and loss, you would want it to browse on a more wider range. Or like for example, ito win rate niya 80%, pero ang 90-day PNL niya is 149%. So, pagka-click niyo niyan, all right? Once you click it, you can see, you can see yung mga ginagawa niyang mga copy trading. Of course, we have the futures trades, we have the spot trades. If you wanted to, if he has a spot trade, pwede nyo rin gayahin. If he has a bot trades, pwede nyo rin gayahin. Unfortunately, this user, wala siyang bot trades. And then personal trades, meron din siya. Alright? So you can see it. And then going back to the futures trade, makikita nyo yung PNL niya. over the last 90 days. So napakaganda no kasi dito lang no sa second week medyo talo siya pero getting the 90 days weekly PNL niya noong March sorry noong December 25 to December 31 napakalaki ng PNL niya. All right? So ngayon makikita mo rin kung gaano kadami yung nagka-copy sa kanya. So 67. So pag nakita mo satisfied ka na, you just have to click copy now. All right? Once you click copy now, you will be redirected to this. All right. So as easy as this one lang. Let's say for example, I have $1,000 available. Maximum total amount. Let's say for example, each day na gusto kong buksan niyang orders. Gusto ko, let's say, ang i-release niya lang is 300. Ganyan lang kasimple. And then if you wanted to, you know, to be more advanced, gusto mo lang siya, let's say, for example, gusto mo lang siyang mag-trade sa BTC, pwede. Gusto mo lang siya mag-trade sa Ethereum, pwede rin. So, when it comes to isolated, gusto mo BTC lang, pwede rin. Pero this one is for advanced, no? Pagka medyo familiar ka na sa ano sa crypto trading. Pero of course, if you wanted to copy the trader lang just like this, and then you click copy. Of course, this one I cannot do it kasi wala kang ano yung account. Pero you just click copy and then that's it. Ganun lang siya kasimple. You can copy already. So this one is for the advance. So take profit order, gusto mo 30% lang magte-take profit na automatically, hindi mo nahihintayin yung trader mag-take profit. And then let's say for example, gusto mo yung stop loss niya, let's say gusto ko ano lang, pagka negative 100 na yung account ko, stop loss na. Ganyan lang. And then of course, gusto mo yung stop loss niya per order at set at 10% lang. Okay? So set at 10% lang, pwede. So ganyan. Alright? So ganyan lang kasimple guys. Sobrang simple with just one click. If you are not familiar yet with this take profit per order, per order, stop loss per order, or kumbaga, yung gusto nyo lang inyang i-trade, ganito ganyan, you just have to put any amount here that you would want to copy this trader. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Yeah, as in, yun lang. Very basic yan. You just click copy, you browse his account. Okay, sige, maganda, maganda. Profit for the last 7 days. Okay, maganda yung ano niya, yung record niya for the last 7 days. So you just have to click copy. And then again, you will be redirected to that, to this. So let's say 1,000 again. Gusto mo lang na maximum na total niyang i-trade is $300. Alright? So yeah, ganyan lang kasimple. So that will be all. I think it's best you create your account with Miss Lady, and then if you're having a hard time, you know, KYC your account, kumbaga nahihirapan kayong i-KYC account nyo or any issues with your account, just let Miss Lady know, and then she will, you know, she will get back to me, and then we will fix it as soon as possible. And then if you have any questions about copying, or if you have any questions about on how to be a lead trader, on how to copy the trades, or if you are interested, of course, to on other products of of OKX. Let's say for example, you wanted to learn about Jumpstart, you wanted to learn about on how to stake in OKX. All right, so marami pang iba. Marami pang in-offer na products si OKX aside from the copy trading. So, ayun. Miss Lady, you're there?
Ayun, Coach Allen, paano po kapag they want to verify their account? Can you give them a brief discussion on how to
Okay.
verify their
Yeah.
account?
In verifying your account, actually, it's a very basic one. Of course, number one is wait, sige, I think it's better to share my screen, although this account is already verified for the, for this kind of presentations. Pero pwede ko ring ipakita sa kanila kung paano i-verify yung account nila. All right? So, let me share my screen again. Para lang at least kumbaga we are teaching you live. So this one, of course, again, in your dashboard, you just have to go to, all right, you just have to click yung katabi ng assets, this one. All right, in the mobile application, napakadali nito, i-click mo lang yung setting na logo. All right, pagka-click mo ng setting na logo, you just have to go to the verification. And then once you are in the verification process, all right, medyo matagal. Once in the verification process, this one, of course, like I said, this one is already verified. You just have to follow kasi pagka hindi pa verified yung account, typically you have to upload your IDs, you have to upload a selfie, or OKX will ask for a selfie from you, and then you don't have to answer a lot of questions. Like for example, there are questions in other exchanges, in other brokerages, di ba? They do ask questions. Let's say how much how aggressive are you in investment, or what is your risks type? Are you let's say, are you aggressive on risk? Are you let's say medium on risk? Let's say, are you, or are you a low risk? Kumbaga ganon, yung mga ganon questions. Meanwhile, in OKX, you just have to upload your IDs, you just have to upload your selfie, and then of course, for the security, what I recommend is that you have tawag ito, you have to have an authenticator application. All right, sorry. So dapat meron ka authenticator application for you to more furtherly secure your account, and then you have to connect your phone number, your email, and then you have to, lahat to kailangan mong gawin in short. All right, so you just have to go to security and then verification, and then that's it. For the presentation on how to verify your accounts, I think we don't have that yet, but let me ask the headquarters in order for us, to further cater you much more. Or siguro mas maganda, uh, let's ask for on how to verify your account. Let's ask a video coming from them if we have it. So we will send it to you via Miss Lady if you're having a hard time verifying your account. So ayun. Anyway,
Coach Allen, kapag nasa ibang bansa sila,
mhm.
um, can they use their address outside the country?
Yes, yes, they can use their address outside the country.
Okay. So do you have any more questions, guys?
So yeah, yan na lahat. Halos ganun lang kasimple actually si copy trading. What we focus more as actually on what is OKX, and then why you would go with OKX. So
Yeah.
again,
Grabe,
I think
sobrang user-friendly. Actually, sobrang user-friendly ng OKX. And so far, na-try ko naman na siya mag-copy-copy trade, ganyan. And ngayon, kasi may katanong sa akin kung meron na daw ba akong account doon na pa nila i-copy. So far, wala pa kayong makokopya sa akin. Pero you can copy any trader doon. Si Marvin ba, meron na siyang copy account?
for Marvin, we are discussing it with him. He would I think he will be opening soon his own copy
Okay. So
trading
yun.
account.
Soon, pwede nyo na rin i-copy pala si Marvin. Pero right now, it's so easy to filter, no? To filter kung sino yung mga pwede nyong i-copy. So, Tomiko, kahit sino doon pwede mo i-copy, hindi naman kailangan na ako. So, mga solid na to eh. Pero Coach Allen, like, may
Yes.
minimum ba to copy? Like, o yung 10 USD, depende ba sa trader yun kung magkano yung pwede nila i-copy or...
Yes, like I said a while ago, no, the minimum is $10. Pero ngayon, let's say for example, for your community, you would want to filter it, let's say $100 ang gusto mong iset for the minimum, you can do that. If gagawa ka na ng lead trader, or if gagawa ka na ng account mo in the copy trading.
So yung mga lead trader, they set their own
Yes.
minimum.
Yes.
Okay. So
They set
ngayon,
their
kung
own.
magka-copy sila sa specific trader, meron siyang specific na minimum.
Yes, he can set a specific minimum, or he can follow OKX minimum yung $10.
Okay. So kahit sinong trader, for as low as $10, they can copy anyone.
Yes, that's true. Yes.
Okay.
That's true.
Tapos pala, coach, saan ba na nakikita nila yung portfolio nila? Hindi mo na ata napakita. Kapag,
Sorry.
kunwari,
Yeah,
nakapag-copy na sila.
yung portfolio kasi, that one I cannot show as the moment dito sa dashboard ko kasi nga wala akong kinakopy as of the moment, and then I am not allowed, of course,
Yeah,
kasi
yeah, yeah.
yeah, I'm not allowed because again, I am employed by OKX. Pero again, if you wanted to, to check out your portfolio, simple as this one lang. Okay, let me share again my screen. Simple as this one lang, no? Copy trading PNL, you can see here, of course, 00 pa yung sa akin. And then today's PNL, 00 pa. And then my copies, if you click this my copies, lalabas dyan lahat ng kinakopy mo. Ayan. Of course, again, right now, ako, bawal kasi. So, even mag-refer, bawal ako.
So sad.
Ayan nga eh, so sad. So, ayan, my traders, of course, current, there's none. Pero again, nandito yan. Ongoing orders, makikita mo rin lahat kung ano yung mga trades. And then history of the trades, andito rin lahat. Of course, futures and spot, andito lahat.
For the
Alright?
deposit naman, Coach Allen, can they use their GCash?
For the deposits, unfortunately, as of right now, we can only do P2P. Again, sige, ipakita ko rin kung paano ginagawa yung P2P para at least mas maging familiarize sila. So for the P2P, simple lang po no kay P2P. You just have you just have to to put the amount that you wanted to buy and then isi-send nyo lang doon sa tawag dito, doon sa merchant. All right? So this one is like a third party merchant. So let's say for example ito. All right? So this one you can buy, let's say, ayan, okay. So let's say for example you would want to buy a minimum of, let's say, filter out natin no sa $10 para at least makita natin. Let's say for example you wanted to buy a minimum of 1,000 pesos na lang. So lalabas diyan lahat yung mga available na users or na sorry, 1,000 USDT pala to. Let's say 20 USDT. All right, wait lang. Again, parang na ano, ayan, sorry, 1,000 ulit. So going back to the 1,000, ayan, so makikita nyo lahat ng available merchants na ito yung payment methods nila. So pwede kayo mag-send sa coins.ph nila, pwedeng bank transfer, sigurong GCash to their bank. All right? So ito, like for example, si Hashira Tofu, you just have to click buy and then nandiyan yung rate. And then you would want it to buy, let's say, 1,000 pesos. So you will receive 17.71. Let's say ang gusto mo is you have a GoTime Bank, you have bank transfer. So this one, so ayan, meron siya mga rules, makikita nyo dyan. So wala naman sa rules niya yung bawal from GCash, bawal from Maya to his bank account. So pwede nyo siyang gawin. So buy USDT fees. So lalabas dyan yung information niya. So you will be redirected to this. What is that? So ayan. So lalabas diyan yung ano niya, yung mga details niya. So ang bank niya is CIMB. So dito naman siya i-send. So from your GCash to his CIMB, sorry, so babae pala to her CIMB. So ika-copy mo lang and then that's it. Send mo lang and then you can chat with him. Sorry, test lang po. So yan, sasagot yung mga yan, no. You will see that they once itong circle na to parang sa Facebook, once this is a check mark, ibig sabihin na seen niya yung message mo. So ganun lang siya kasimple. This is very simple and then you just have to click I have paid pagtapos na and then of course yung merchant or yung nagbebenta ng USDT will check kung na-receive niya na yung pera. And then of course, you will upload your let's say upload mo yung ano, yung picture na na-receive mo na siya. I mean na na-send mo na siya and then she will recognize it and then release your order or you release yung binili mong USDT. So, of course, ito ika-cancel ko since hindi naman tayo bibili ngayon. All right. So, ayan. So, ganun lang.
So,
Ah,
same with withdrawal, no? They can also use P2P then.
For the withdrawal, yes, they can also use P2P. Again, later, sige, ano na natin, para kumpletuhin na natin para at least alam na nila kung paano
Yan, thank you
operate.
naman, Coach Allen.
Test. Page. Alright.
Nagalit na sa'yo yung mga ka-P2P mo, Coach.
Kaya ka eh, puro cancel lahat. Alright, for selling naman, again, going back to the P2P, we have the sell as well. Of course, syempre, mas mababa yung rate nito. So, ayan. Let's say itong si Vance Crypto. So 300 to 1,000 pesos. Let's say si Wisest Trader, Paymaya, ayan. So they have options. So kung gusto mong sa Paymaya mo mapunta yung pera, this one is the option. Let's say gusto mo sa GCash. So let's say GCash tayo, GCash. All right. So you have to sell 20 USDT and then GCash. Of course, hindi ko makiklik yung sell USDT. You just have to put your information. Let's say for example yung GCash information mo ganun. So pupunta ka lang sa my profile. All right? And then manage payment methods. Click mo lang add payment method. Andyan lahat, halos lahat ang banks is nandito na. All right? So meron pang ang GrabPay, oh. So if you wanted to order food and then naka USDT ka pa, so direct
Wow!
direct mo sa GrabPay. So pwede, di ba? So ngayon, we have Shopee Pay din. So, ngayon, naka-USDT ka pa, gusto mo mag-shopping sa Shopee, gusto mo i-direct na yung money doon, pwede rin Shopee Pay. So, lahat, halos lahat na we have GCash, let's say GCash. So, you just have to put, of course, yung name, phone number. So, nakita nyo na yung buong pangalan ko. So, okay, ganun lang siya kasimple.
May
Alright?
minimum, maximum po ba na withdrawal, coach? Tsaka
For the
fees, may fees
withdrawal,
po ba?
it will vary on the P2P trader. Or for example, let's say dito no again sige share ulit ako ng screen. Let's say for example dito 100 pesos lang ang gusto mong withdrawin. If merong nagbebenta for a minimum 100 pesos, why not? Ayan, meron nga 56 pesos lang, $1 tuloy. $1 lang meron na nagbebenta. So if you would want to buy $1, pwede. If you would want to sell 100 pesos, pwede rin. Okay, so very flexible si OKX. So limit natin is 56 pesos pala. Sorry for $1. So for as low as $1, pwede. Ayan. But of course, syempre, don't expect a very high rate. Mababang rate yan. So, kasi, syempre, mababa lang yung binibenta mo, mababa rin yung rate. So, ganyan siya. Alright?
Pag mag-deposit naman daw, coach, using different broker exchange.
If you're going to deposit using different broker, again, other exchange, okay, from Binan, parang ganon, from B to OKX. Pwede naman. What you're going to do is you go to wait lang hindi ka sa P2P trading for that. Ang gagawin mo is you go to your assets and then deposit. This one, ito, assets. Assets. I don't know if you're seeing it in your screen. Some you are for sure in a mobile. Pero i-click nyo lang yung assets and then you click deposit. And then titignan mo ngayon kay B. Okay? Doon kay Binan. Kung ang asset mo is USDT or let's say kung asset mo is BTC. So ayan, nakita nyo na rin na naman yung deposit ko. Alright, so if you want USDT, lalabas dyan yung USDT and then anong network? So of course, very very famous ang USDT TRC20. So you would want to click on that one. And then next is that, alright, yes, ika-copy mo lang to. Just have to copy this one and then you go to the other exchange and then you click naman sa other exchange which is si withdraw. Ito naman. Okay, sa other exchange, syempre hindi ko na alam kung paano kayo nag-withdraw. Ganun lang kasimple. You click withdraw and then you put the wallet address. Let's say USDT on chain. Yes. Uh, on chain tayo and then next, of course, ilalagay mo dito yung withdrawal address mo. And then let's say you have a balance of let's say $200. So ganun lang siya kasimple. And then you click next. Ayan.
So, ayun. So far, guys, clear naman. Can you type 1 kung clear yung discussion ni Coach Allen? Type 1 kung clear? Or you have other questions?
Yeah, if you have other questions, feel free habang marami tayong oras ngayon.
Yeah, oo. Mahaba pa yung oras. Baka hanggat nandito si Coach Allen, no? Sulitin nyo na. Do you have any more questions regarding sa copy trading with OKX? So far, wala naman na kayong question. Clear naman lahat, no? So actually, marami pa kayong mga services. Marami pa services si OKX na pwede nyo
Yes.
i-utilize. Pero if you don't have the luxury of time, definitely, ito yung perfect sa inyo, yung copy trading. Kasi
Yes.
this is very passive. As long as kumikita yung trader na kinokopya mo, kikita ka din, di ba?
Yes.
So yung
Yes.
commission nun, coach, ano ha, may nakalagay dun yung percentage of its.
Yes. Yes, nakalagay doon yung percentage of course per copy trader kung how much yung profit sharing nila, kung how much yung ano nila yung kumbaga like for example, yung copy trader, lalabas naman doon na okay, 30% will go to him, 70% will go to you or yung doon sa mga nagka-copy.
Mm.
Ganun siya. All
So,
right.
pwede bang i-ano yan din, coach? I-filter kung sino yung mga nasa Pilipinas na trader?
For the Philippine traders, yun ang hindi mo ma-filter actually.
Okay.
Yes, hindi
So,
na siya ma-filter.
oo, walang races dito, no? Kung sino.
Wala.
Oo. So, yun nandun sa, ano, sa dashboard is random, ano yun, trade.
Yes, random. Although kapag kasi ikaw na ang nag-lead trader, you will have a specific link. All right? You will have a specific link na pwede mong i-send sa mga followers mo para hindi na sila maghahanap dito. Para hindi na sila maghahanap dito sa napakadaming list of copy traders natin. May link yan na specifically just for you or exclusive just for you na isa-send mo na lang sa mga followers mo. Kaya nga I urge you nga again na mag-copy trading ka.
Sige, let's see, let's see. Malay nyo, kopyahin nyo na rin ako. Kasi with, ano, with other brokers, like normally, we actually do
Yes.
copy trading, pero with Forex kasi. So,
Yes.
doon, marami na akong mga copy trading accounts sa kinokopya nila. So, ayan, nasanay sila na mangopya sa akin. Hindi naman ako valedictorian. Ayan, so, ayun, so far, wala naman na kayong questions, no? So
Ayan,
far,
ang dami
okay na
nagpapalit.
sila.
Ang dami na nagpapasend ng link mo.
Ayan, sinend ko na nga yung link eh. Ayan, no, link yan.
Yung,
Register
yung,
na
yung
muna
copy
kayo.
trading mo, yung copy trading account mo daw.
Soon, soon. Malay nyo, mag-ganon din tayo, mag-trade. Pero for now, what you can do is to copy any trader doon na tingin ko, i-observe nyo na muna. Wag basta-basta mag-copy. Observe nyo na muna.
Yes, of
Check
course.
nyo yung profit and loss, yung risk level, yung number of
Yes.
copiers, if they are really good. Hindi basta-basta magka-copy. Kasi pag natalo yung copy trader na yun, wala kayong ibang sisisihin kundi sarili nyo. Kasi syempre, you took the risk, di ba? Here, in crypto
Yes.
trading, syempre, it's very risky. So you only have to use the money that you afford to lose. Always remember that. And mag-ingat sa mga scammer, mga nagpapanggap na ako or si Marvin. Baka si Coach Allen, meron na rin mga ano, no, poser.
Meron na rin.
Yun no? So ayun, ang dami talaga mga poser. Kaya you have to be very careful. You will only deposit in your own account. So if you will create an account with OKX, dyan lang din kayo mag-deposit with OKX. So this is different kasi here, pag mag-deposit kayo, you will use P2P. So you will transact with other people. Okay? Though kasi si ano naman, si OKX is very highly, heavily regulated naman yan. So lahat
Yes.
ng mga nagbebenta, yung mga ano dyan, ang tawag sa kanila, mga merch ba
Merchants.
mga merchants dyan na nagbebenta, mga ano yan, mga regulated din yan ni OKX. So you don't have to worry
Yes.
if you will be doing P2P with them, if you will transact to their bank account because you can easily report them if hindi nila tinransact sa inyo, if hindi nila binigay
Yes.
sa inyo
That's
yung
true.
USDT, okay? So, for withdraw, kailan pwede mag-withdraw and kung ano nakalagay sa portfolio sa figure is same figure, makuha meron pang mga deductions. Ang deductions
Wala na.
is ano no, yung ano lang, yung commission lang. Yung,
Yes, yung
oo.
commission lang of course ni trader or yeah, yun yung trader. And then at the same time pag magwi-withdraw ka, kung magkano yung available balance mo, yun lang syempre yung kumbaga yun yung mismo mawi-withdraw mo. Wala nang deductions. If P2P, kung magkano yung rate ni P2P, let's say for example 56 pesos per $1, let's say you withdraw let's say $100, $5,600 talaga yung marireceive mo. Kasi sa P2P kasi, being the word itself, P2P, it's a peer-to-peer, ibig sabihin person to person, you are talking to a real person, live. Kumbaga parang let's say si lady nagbenta and then ako yung buyer. So mag-uusap kami. Uh, send ko na send ko na right now and then pag na-send ko na I will just send the screenshot to Miss Lady na na-receive niya na yung 5,600 pesos. And then si Miss Lady naman, i-release niya lang yung $100 sa akin. Ganun lang kasimple.
Kasi yung mga peer-to-peer na yan, yung mga
Yes.
merchant na yan, kumikita sila through the rate. So
Yes, the
normally,
rates.
kapag mag-sell ka, di ba, ang baba masyado. So instead of
Yes.
you will be able to sell it for $56, they will sell it
Yes.
at 54. So kumita na sila ng 2 pesos from you.
Yes.
That's
Ganun
how
siya
they earn.
kasimple.
Oo, di ba? Kaya walang mga withdrawal fees yan. The only fees that you have to pay is like kung nagbayad ka, yung mga third party, ano na yan,
Yes. Let's
like
say
kunwari
nag-deposit ka via
Gcash.
credit card,
Yeah.
debit card,
Yes.
GCash.
Yeah.
or yung mga bank account mo, ganyan. Yun
Yeah.
lang yung magiging fees. Ayan.
Oo. Ayan. So, yung figures sa portfolio deducted na po yung sa commission, ano na siya, automatic na siyang deducted, no? Yung
Yes,
commission ng
yes,
lead trader. Yes.
yes,
So, automatically, pag nagkaroon ka ng winning doon, automatically, magkakaroon na ng deduction yon ng commission ng lead trader. Pero,
yes,
pero sa mga winning trades lang siya, magkakaroon ng commission, no? Hindi sa mga
yes.
losing trades.
Yes, syempre.
Oo.
Then pagka sa mga losing trades naman, pagka may extrang profit dun sa account niya, i-distribute yan sa mga sa mga copiers. Ganun kaganda si OKX. Kumbaga, automatically binabawas niya dun kay lead trader yung excess na profit, all right? Tapos i-distribute niya dun sa lahat ng mga na-loss or yung sa
Seryoso?
lahat ng natalo. Oh, yes.
Grabe naman yun.
Kaya pagka natalo ka lady, mahirap.
Oo,
Kasi yung account mo, di-distribute yun sa lahat ng mga copiers mo.
oo nga, grabe naman yun. So, ayun
Oo.
pala, kawawa yung mga lead trader.
Hindi
Pero,
naman.
at least kapag nagkaroon sila ng mga losing trades,
Yeah.
hindi pa rin talo yung mga hindi pa rin
Yung
talo
mga
yung mga
copiers.
peers
Hindi naman
because,
lahat, of course. Hindi naman 100% ng profit na
yeah,
nakuha ng lead trader. Hindi naman
hindi
lahat.
naman lahat.
Oo, hindi naman lahat. Ano lang, kung let's say for example, kaya ikaw bilang lead trader, you have to always transfer the profit into another, let's say account. Ganon siya.
That's the key.
That's the
Kasi
key.
otherwise, kapag nagkaroon ka ng losing trades, it will be distributed among your copiers.
Yes.
Pero
Yes.
okay din kasi 'di ba parang tulong mo na lang din 'yun sa mga kasi
Oh,
mabigat sa loob kaya na nakikita mo nagkakaroon ng mga losing
mga
trades
losing
sa mga
trades. Yes,
copiers
totoo.
mo kasi pera nila 'yun hard-earned money nila 'yun That is why
Yes.
maganda rin yung ganong idea ng OKX because pampalubag ng loob. Parang gano'n, 'di ba? Ayan.
Yes.
So for
Yes.
may mga questions pa ba kayo guys? How much ang rate for withdrawing OKX? Yung rate will depend on the rate. Sa USD
No,
TRC.
actually ano lang, normally ang USDT TRC20 is $1 lang ang charge niya. And then for the rate, 1:1 yan. $1 is to $1. Let's say for example, you have $100 in B, okay, in Binance, makaka-receive ka sa OKX ng $99 kasi $1 lang yung transaction fee ni TRC20.
Regardless of the amount ng transfer nila,
Yes,
$1 lang.
regardless,
Oo.
regardless. Kahit gaano pa kalaki yan, kahit $200,000 pa yan, or kahit $40,000 pa yan, $1 lang.
Ilipat nyo na yung mga funds nyo. Galing dun. Hindi, ayun guys. So, ito, very established, very heavily regulated si OKX, kaya okay na okay si OKX. So, ayun guys. Do you have any more questions? So far, wala naman na kayong questions kasi clear na clear naman lahat ng diniscuss ni Coach Allen, di ba?
Paano
Paano
po malalaman? Of course, if you see a P&L in your portfolio, let's say for example, if you see a profit, and then that's it. Kumita na kayo sa copy trading. And then at the same time kasi live yan, no? Let's say if the lead trader traded in his account or her account, makikita mo yan sa account mo running. Kumbaga, how much yung naka-risk, how much yung running profit or yung running loss, you will see it in your account. Kumbaga, it's very transparent. So, no need to question how much na ba yung kinikita ko, how much na ba yung nagre-reflect sa account ko. No need na for that. Automatically, makikita mo transparent sa account mo kung magkano na yung running profit or loss.
And the best pa sa crypto, available ng Sabado tsaka Linggo, di ba?
Yes,
Ayun.
24/7
Yun
tayo.
ang
Yun ang
wala
maganda.
kami sa Forex. Yun ang wala kami sa Forex because with Forex, it's only available Mondays to Fridays. Pero
Yes,
here
that's
in
true.
crypto, it's also available even on Saturdays
Weekend,
and
yes.
Sundays. Yes.
Yes.
So kahit Saturday, Sunday, may kita tayo. Ganon. So ayan. Oo, sabi ni John Ramon, malaking tulong sa nila kasi kahit sa mga zero knowledge, they can earn kahit na, alam mo, nangongopya lang sila. Which is very true because in copy trading, it's totally passive income talaga. Like,
Yes, that's
totally,
true.
you don't have to do anything. You don't need to read the chart. You don't need to do analysis. You don't need technical,
Yes.
fundamental. You don't need anything. Kahit magbakasyon ka, kahit natutulog ka, meron nag-trade on its own dun sa account mo kasi lahat yan kokopyahin na lang sa account mo, diba?
Correct.
Yan. So, meron ka daw bang suggestion, coach, kung sino pwede i-copy nila?
For the suggestion kasi ako personally I cannot suggest no kasi syempre ayoko naman masisi nyo kapag uy yung nirecommend ni Sir Allen talo.
Mm.
Nagets niya. So I don't want to suggest anyone. A better siguro each one of you look into it. Kung tingnan nyo kung sino yung malaki yung PNL, kung sino yung malaki yung kung sino yung malaki yung profit yung tama, kung sino yung malaki yung profit and loss ano niya, let's say kung sino yung malaki yung win rate, kung sino yung for the past 7 days, sino ba yung palaging nananalo, ganun. Kasi again, at the end of the day, we are in the market of trading. So kumbaga, we are unsure whether kailan tayo magkakaroon ng loss, kung kailan tayo magkakaroon ng profit. It is actually based on our knowledge and on our capacity on how to we analyze the market, di ba? So again, hindi ako makapag-recommend, pero again, if meron si Miss Lady, syempre yung kay Miss Lady na i-recommend ko. If meron si Marvin as of right now, syempre kay Marvin na. Pero as of right now, wala pa.
And you, so
Alright?
you
Wala.
do your own
Ayoko din.
you do your own
Yes.
diligence. So you have to really observe the trader kung talagang fit siya sa risk tolerance mo. Kung ikaw ay risk
Oh, yeah.
taker, you will see there naman if the trader is very aggressive, 'di ba? Kasi makikita mo
Oo,
sa risk
yes.
level niya, 'di ba? So,
Si
ayun
Lady daw
guys.
we trust. So, again, gawa ka na.
Ay possible daw ba i-manually close yung mga tinitrade nung ano?
Yes, it's possible.
Possible nila i-close.
Yes.
Kunwari happy na daw
Yes.
sila sa profit. Ay, happy na ako. Meron akong
Yes,
$10.
again, yung pinakita ko kanina, like what I've showed a while ago, you can set your own take profit and stop loss. Kung gusto mo, let's say, 50% pa lang nung, or 50% pa lang nung position, mako-close na siya. And then stop loss, same lang din. So, ganun siya.
Ayan. For mobile users, meron din po bang application?
Yes, you can download OKX in Google Play and Apple Store. So, meron, yes.
Can we copy po ba two or more traders?
Yes, you can copy as much as you want. Gusto mo, lahat ng copy traders natin, copy mo, pwede.
Maraming pera, di ba? Bakit hindi, di ba?
Diba? Oh, alright.
So, ayun guys, I hope marami kayong tutunan ngayon. Syempre, we don't want to, to prolong this, syempre, ano yan, precious ang time ni Coach Allen, di ba? Pinagbigyan tayo. Ilong overdue, anong na nga to actually, di ba? Nadilan late lang because syempre nakabakasyon si Coach Allen. Ayaw natin gambalain. So ayun lang naman guys. I hope marami kayong tutunan ngayon. And for more questions, make sure na mag-join kayo sa Telegram natin. Yung Telegram natin is this one. Ayan, sinend ko. Join din kayo, Coach Allen, sa Telegram natin para if they have other questions and they want to speak with you
Alright,
directly, they can
sige, no
communicate with
problem.
you.
I will join,
And
yeah.
for those people naman na who cannot join sa Telegram kasi nahihirapan sila sa link, you can also join our Messenger GC. Pwede kayong mag-join dyan. And then don't forget to register with OKX. And before you deposit, always remember you have to verify your account first, okay? So, bago kayo
Alright.
mag-deposit, kailangan fully verified na muna sila. Mahirapan ba sila mag-withdraw kapag hindi sila fully verified, Coach?
Actually, sa P2P, it is required to be verified. Pero if you're going to withdraw in crypto, pwede, kahit hindi verified. Pero again, syempre, we have to make sure of, of the due diligence din ng company. So I think mas better mag-verify na rin kayo. There's nothing wrong
Ayun.
with it naman.
So, sino
Yeah.
na ba ready na mag-copy trade dyan? Type 1 nga kung magka-copy trade na sila sa OKX. Type 1 nga. Marami na magka-copy trade dyan eh. Ayun no, si Tommy ko nangunguna. Eh, mga affiliate ko yan sa economy, Coach
Ah,
Allen.
nice, nice.
Wala pang fans. O, pondohan nyo na. Kasi $10 lang naman minimum eh. Pwede daw ba sila lumipat ng IB?
Pwede,
Ayan.
pwede. Actually, you can set them as your IB.
Talaga? Pwede ba sila magpa-transfer?
Pwede.
Ayun pala, message ko na lang si Coach Allen, no? Lipat pa siya. Nanulot pa, no? So, ayun guys, thank you so much. Actually, magkakaroon kami ng ni Marvin this coming March 16. We will be having our meet and greet. Meet and greet sa March 16. So, I hope to see you guys. Sana nandun ka rin, Coach Allen.
Yeah,
And
it will be sponsored by OKX.
ay, yun naman. Thank you so much. Kaya yun, maraming salamat, Coach Allen, for your time. Really appreciate it and I
Thank you
hope
din, thank
maulit
you
to.
din.
Maulit to. So this webinar is actually recorded. I will be uploading this in my YouTube. So I will be sending the recorded file sa sa Telegram natin tsaka sa Messenger para mabalikan nyo kung gusto nyo balikan, kung gusto nyo i-review kung paano nga ulit to. Ayan, available tong ating recorded webinar. So, again, maraming salamat sa time mo. I really appreciate
Thank
kahit
you.
Sunday, family day, nandito ka. And even dun sa ating mga participants today, maraming salamat sa time nyo kasi sobrang dami. Nagstay pa rin sila dito. Kaya, thank you guys. I hope you have a good night and happy trading guys. Ayun. Thank you guys.
Yes. Thank you guys. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.